Alcohol's effects on your driving ability, reducing driving risks, Part 3. Improper evaluation. If you are under the influence of alcohol, it would take nothing short of a miracle to be able to obtain precise and comprehensive information about the road environment. Even if it were possible, there's a good probability you wouldn't be able to successfully complete the second level of the C system. You will evaluate the data you have obtained and select a suitable response during the evaluation stage. Choosing the safest course of action given the available knowledge requires sound judgment and clear-headed cognition, neither of which you will possess after drinking. When you have alcohol in your system, you won't be as capable of organized data access the memories required to comprehend that knowledge. Determine which hazards to prioritize. Predict how events will turn out. Even if you were able to accomplish all of these tasks successfully, your inebriated brain may make a completely wrong decision as a result. Execution mistakes. Putting your selected answer to action is the last phase of the C space management system. Even if you have avoided incident during the evaluation and search phases while intoxicated, which is doubtful, things might still go drastically wrong when you attempt to execute your maneuver. Driving when under the influence of alcohol is highly difficult, even for the simplest maneuvers. Your motions will be less controlled and your muscles will be less responsive. You'll have trouble coordinating your movements. Your body won't obey your brain as quickly as it should because of a prolonged physical response time. You may spin the steering wheel too sharply or too gently as a result of the combined effect of these motor skill deficiencies. It's possible to brake too soon or too late. It will be more difficult to use your turn signals and other important car functions. In extreme cases of intoxication, finding the pedals with your feet may be impossible. Choosing to drive defensively. This video has examined the significant harm that drinking alcohol causes to ability to drive, physically mental agility for driving. Applying safety-enhancing techniques, such as the C system. Additionally, we have observed that these negative consequences manifest at relatively low blood alcohol levels that are much lower than the 0.08% legal limit. This basically indicates that there is no amount of alcoholic alcohol that is safe for driving. When making decisions about your physical and mental fitness to drive, you must always opt for the safest course of action as a defensive driver. The only sensible defensive driving choice you can make if you've had alcohol in your system is to not drive at all.